dear 10th class students, welcome to our maths class. So, a very interesting chapter we are continuing, trigonometry. Lot many formulas, lot many relations and identities. So, it is a new chapter and interesting chapter. We are in the last exercise, of course, last exercise, that is 11.4. And we completed the first problem. We have total 10 problems, so 9 more problems so that we can complete this chapter. So all the formulas we studied and all the relations also we studied. Once again I wrote all the formulas here. Of course, not only this, we have other formulas also, but now most of these, in most of the problems we use these formulas. See the second question. Show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. How to do it? I am taking the LHS, left hand side. See here, cosecant theta minus cot theta. Left side I took. Right side is in terms of cos, so I will change this cosecant cot into cos. We can change any ratio into another ratio, like that. We have not many relations between the trigonometric ratios. So I can change cosecant cot in terms of cos. Because this is the left side and answer is, this should be the answer. We have to get this answer. After simplifying, this square is there. So after simplification, we have to get that answer. So to get that answer, we have to change this into cos. What is cosecant? Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. There is no direct cos, but sine also we can use, and after we can convert it into cos. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. Cot is equal to cos by sine. See here. These two formulas, cosecant is equal to 1 by sine, cot is equal to cos by sine. Square only. What changes I did here? In place of cosecant theta, I wrote 1 by sine, because that is a formula. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine I wrote. And I used another formula. Cot is equal to what? Cot is equal to cos by sine. I applied these two formulas here. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine I wrote. Cot is equal to cos by sine I wrote. These are the two formulas I wrote. Why I am using those formulas? Because the problem is in terms of cos. So we have to change it into sine and cos. Sine we will remove later. So first, there is no direct cos formula. First, cosec is in terms of sine and cot also in terms of cos and sine. Now take the LCM. See LCM. Sin theta LCM. 1 minus cos theta. See. Simply I took LCM, that's all. Now, this square is for numerator and denominator. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. But only cos, no sin. Only cos. How to remove this sign? First formula. Sin square is equal to what? First formula in this way. Directly. Sin square is equal to what? 1 minus cos square formula. That formula I will apply. Numerator I am writing same. Sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. One can witness 1 square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. One can witness 1 square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This is square. So don't feel that 1 is not having square. 1 square is 1 only. So a square minus b square is a plus b. 1 plus cos theta, a minus b. 1 minus cos theta.
Hello.
A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos into 1 minus cos. 1 minus cos theta whole square. One time cancel. Square means 2 times. I will write that step also. Square means 2 times. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Square means 2 times. 1 minus cos theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 1 minus cos theta one time cancel. Same. So what is the numerator remaining? 1 minus cos theta. Denominator is 1 plus cos theta, which is the required proof RHS. We got the proof. Hence proof. I took the left side. I used all the formulas, simplification. I got the right side. Right now.
I'm not saying
Third problem, show that root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Important problem. See this carefully. What is the left hand side? What is the question? 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. This is the problem. How to simplify and how to get this? See carefully. First, there is one technique that you have to remember. Remember this technique. Once again, I am writing same. So remember this technique. I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with one term. Same number, if you multiply the numerator and denominator, there is no change in the value. So I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with the numerator. See, this is the question. Multiply the numerator and denominator with the numerator. 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. If you multiply like this, there is no change in the value. 1 plus sin a cancel, nothing. For simplification, I am multiplying like that. Multiplying the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a whole square. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A into A square, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A by denominator. A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. One plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square. Same, 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 square is 1 minus sin square. First step, if you remember this, then we will get continuous steps. Multiply and denominator with 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square. A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. A square means 1 square, B square is sin square. 1 square is 1, sin square is sin square. See the formula. See this formula. This one. What is the formula? 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A formula. Any angle. Theta means theta 1. 1 minus sin square is cos square. So numerator same. 1 minus sin square is cos square. 1 minus sin square is cos square. 1 minus sin square is cos square. Square root cancel. Square root cancel. 1 plus sin A by cos A. See, this root is for both the numerator and denominator. If you apply for the numerator, square root cancel 1 plus sin. Here also square root cancel cos. Next step. I will separate into two separate fractions. This is the denominator for both. This is for this and also for this. I am separating. See here. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. This can be written as 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Now, 1 by cos is secant. Sin by cos is tan. One by cos is equal to secant. That is the formula we studied. 1 by cos is secant. So 1 by cos A is secant A plus sin A by cos A is tan A. Sin A by cos A is tan A. Now see the right side. We got it. We got the proof. Hence proved. We got the RHS. So hence we proved it. Simplify this and get this. So we got it. Right. Practice it.
And that.
So I am taking the left hand side, LHS. To simplify this, search for any relation between tan and cot. Relation between tan and cot. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. See here, I am using this formula. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta formula I am using. This formula I will use here. I am writing the numerator same. 1 minus tan square A same by cot is equal to 1 by tan I will write. Only that formula I am using. Cot is equal to what? 1 by tan, but square is square. Minus 1, everything same. 1 same, minus same, tan square A same, here also minus 1 same. Cot is equal to 1 by tan because it is square, square. 1 minus tan square A by 1 square is 1 by tan square A minus 1. 1 square is 1 by tan square minus. LCM. Numerator same, denominator. To separate the fractions you have to take the LCM. So what is the numerator? 1 minus tan square A by tan square. You know how to separate the fractions, how to take LCM, how to simplify. Since we studied in the 5th, 6th, 7th classes. So tan square is LCM. 1 minus tan square by tan square. So 1 minus tan square numerator same by. So suppose if you have A by B by C, what happens? A into this denominator fraction will reverse. You know this division rule. Dividing one fraction by other fraction, denominator fraction will reverse. The division will become multiplication, denominator fraction will reverse. This you studied in the lower classes. So 1 minus tan square as it is I am writing, this denominator fraction will reverse as per the division, dividing one fraction by another fraction. So this division will become multiplication, denominator fraction will reverse. You studied in the lower classes. Tan square by 1 minus tan. 1 minus tan square cancel. What is the remaining? Tan square A. See the proof RHS we got. Proved. We got it. Okay, so let us stop here, and once again the homework is practicing these formulas. Otherwise you can't understand any problem because lot of simplification, lot many relations, lot many formulas we are using. So even some steps you have to remember, and for some steps you have to use the formulas. So come with all these formulas, you prepare by had these formulas, practice it many number of times, write it many number of times, and we will continue the next problem tomorrow. So we in this exercise we completed 4 problems, we have 6 more, so let us do tomorrow. Till then, thank you students, have a nice day.